Strong fourth quarter for Macy's heading to transition year. New York, AP. Macy's reported stronger than expected sales and profits for the fourth quarter less than a month after it announced a major restructuring. Shares are up 3% before the opening bell Tuesday. The quarterly report comes 3 weeks after the department store chain said it was closing 125 of its least productive stores and cutting 2,000 corporate jobs. It also says it is testing new smaller store formats. The store closures represent 1/5 of Macy's current total. They include about 30 that are in the process of closing and account for $1.4 billion in annual sales. Macy's, like its peers Nordstrom, Kohl's and JCPenney, is dealing with stiffer competition and shoppers' changing behavior. Department stores are seeing their customers increasingly favoring off-price stores like TJ Maxx for big discounts on name brands. They're also renting and buying second-hand goods online. JCPenney is slated to report its fourth quarter results Thursday, while Kohl's and Penny are expected to report final quarterly figures next week. Macy's has embraced several strategies as a way to pull customers back in the stores. That includes teaming up with resale site ThredUp. The company's Bloomingdale's division launched a rental service last year, and it's been expanding its off-price concept called Backstage in many of its stores. It also has been upgrading the look of its top 150 stores in healthy malls. Those account for about 50% of its total brick-and-mortar store sales. Earlier in February, it said that it plans to upgrade an additional 100 stores this year. Macy's CEO Jeff Gennett said in a release Tuesday that there was a significant improvement in the fourth quarter, including a meaningful sales uptick in the 10 shopping days before Christmas. The company said that net income fell to $340 million, or $1.09 per share, in the quarter ended February 1. That compares with $740 million, or $2.37 per share, in the year-ago period. Adjusted earnings per share was $2.12. Net sales were $8.34 billion, down slightly from $8.45 billion a year earlier. Analysts were expecting earnings per share of $1.96 and net sales of $8.32 billion, according to FactSet. Macy's says that same-store sales, a key measure for a retailer's health, slipped 0.5%, including licensed businesses like jewelry. That was still an improvement from the 3.5% drop seen in the previous quarter. The company says it is viewing 2020 as a transition year and reiterated its annual profit guidance. For more on this story, visit the news article link.